Longhi Dedica Duo Review. This tiny espresso machine is stirring up big coffee drama. Ever feel personally attacked by your morning coffee routine? You drag yourself out of bed, desperate for that rich, velvety shot of espresso to spark your soul, and instead, your ancient coffee maker gives you lukewarm sadness. You're stuck waiting, messing with pods that taste like cardboard, and frothing milk with a plastic tube that squeals like it's in pain. It's frustrating. Whether you're pulling all-nighters or just want to impress your date with a decent cappuccino, it shouldn't feel like rocket science. You crave that barista-level buzz, but your tools are failing you. Again. Now multiply that disappointment. Imagine you've got 5 minutes before work, guests arriving in 10, or an iced latte craving that just won't quit. You're watching time slip through your fingers as your machine chokes out a weak brew. Or worse, it overheats, underdelivers, and ruins that rare moment of self-care. Your kitchen becomes a battlefield of mugs, spills, and unmet expectations. The burnout? Real. And that pricey coffee shop around the corner? Starting to look like your second mortgage. You're not just craving caffeine, you're craving control. Enter the ultimate home barista flex. The Longhi Dedica Duo Compact Espresso Machine. This sleek, stainless steel beauty is like an Italian sports car that lives on your countertop. Compact at just 5.9 inches wide, but don't let the size fool you, this baby packs dual temp power. Want hot espresso? Boom, ready in 25 seconds. Cold brew? Done in minutes with cold extraction tech latte art? Yup, thanks to the ProGrade My Latte Art Steam Wand. It's all here, bold shots, iced macchiatos, silky flat whites, your coffee, your way, anytime. And the vibe? Chef's kiss. The digital touch display makes it feel like you're piloting a cafe spaceship. The 9-bar extraction pump gives you that authentic, cafe-level crema. Low-pressure pre-infusion means smooth, consistent flavor. Oh, and cleaning? A breeze. Whether you're slinging oat milk lattes or espresso martinis for your crew, the Dedica Duo is the versatile, stylish MVP. No more coffee corner clutter. No more basic brews. Just clean lines, bold flavor, and endless possibilities. Barista-grade quality in your pajamas? Yes, please. Thousands are ditching overpriced cafes and ditching clunky machines for this sleek espresso beast. Supplies are tight, and for good reason. This isn't just a coffee maker, it's a lifestyle upgrade. So stop sipping mediocrity. Upgrade to the Longhi Dedica Duo now and take control of your coffee destiny. Act fast, sip smart, and start crafting drinks that actually taste like they came from someone who gives a froth. Your inner barista is begging for this. Click now, and join the espresso elite. Let's brew something epic.